We started this channel for a purpose: to create awareness for people of all age groups, from all cultures and walks of life. Too many relationships break between couples, friends, family, and co-workers when they shouldn't. Often, it's just a small attitude, a moment of ego, and we lose the people who meant the most to us. It's all human psychology. The way we think, feel, and react that matters. At Ultimate Creator 2.0, we'll explore all kinds of relationships: romantic, platonic, professional, and familial. We'll talk about healing, communication, emotional intelligence, and how to make relationships last. Our goal is to spread emotional awareness and help build stronger bonds. So please, like, subscribe, and share your valuable feedback so we can improve and grow together. Bless you all, from the team at Ultimate Creator 2.0.